Hey guys, this is my bike check. I have a 2014 Sunday Primer, and it has Odyssey Twisted PC blue camo pedals. They don't have barely any slip to them. Then I have Cult Van grips. Then I have Snafu Jackson handlebars, jet fuel. Then I have a Stranger Haze step. Sunday current tires. And I have a Sunday Storm front hub and a Sunday Storm rear hub. It's a cassette. Then I have a Colt pivotal seat. Then on this side, I got primo pegs, stock chain. It's not loose at all. Then I have a Colony sprocket on it. Then got little red dice caps. I like it. It's pretty light. It's about like 25 pounds. Yeah, that's my bike. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm out.